We were Yiddish in our culture. We spoke only Yiddish in the house. But my grandmother early on said to me that you better learn English and you better learn it good, boy, because you're going to be a success, and in this country you have to have English. And old as she was and set in her ways as she was, she went to night school to study English so the two of us could do homework together. So getting ahead, education was a tremendous value. And an interesting story, when I went away to graduate school, I went to Michigan, which was quite a shock to my family. And they were very poor people. My grandfather was a house painter, and they were very, very frugal and very careful and never spent on themselves. And she gave me something like $500, which we're talking about 1957, was a fortune. And that was for tuition and for living until I got a job. But she wanted to make sure I didn't lose it. So she sewed it into my underwear. So I had a secret pouch. And I remember going to Michigan State, and I got into this large auditorium where people are registering. And I stayed online, as we say, for a long time. And I finally got up to the desk, and I finally got my classes. And she said $50 or $40. And I said, oh, I need some scissors. She said, what do you need scissors for? I said, well, I can't pay you unless I have scissors. So she looked at me like, here's another crazy guy. She gave me a pair of scissors. I ran into the bathroom, did my alterations, pulled out money from my underwear. So that I remember that very carefully. But she was right, because nowadays I'd probably lose it.